Hello everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a quick homemade tomato sauce recipe. It's simple but really flavorful sauce that can be used on pasta, pizza or as a dip for bread. For this sauce I'm using really ripe tomatoes and I'll be blanching the tomatoes in hot water first. Add your tomatoes to a pot of boiling water, cover it up and boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will notice the skin of the tomato is already shrinking. Go ahead and transfer the tomatoes from the hot water into a bowl of chilled water to help stop the cooking process. Carefully remove the skin of the tomatoes with your hands. Cut the tomato and cut it in half. If you like, you can remove the seeds of the tomato, but I'm going to be keeping the seeds because I don't want to waste this too much. Pulse this a few times until it turns out smooth. You can blend it longer if you like a really smooth tomato sauce, but I like mine chunky, so I'm going to do this just a few times. Once you're done, place the saucepan on the stove top. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onions to it and saute for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Add in chopped celery stalks and minced garlic cloves. Stir and cook these for a minute. It's time to bring in the blended tomatoes. Carefully pour in the blended tomatoes and give it a stir. Season the sauce with oregano, freshly ground black pepper, dried basil, and also add some salt to taste. Give the sauce a good stir and simmer it for 40 minutes on low heat until most of the liquid dries up. While you're cooking the sauce, make sure to keep an eye on it. You can also stir this from time to time to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom of the pot. After 40 minutes of cooking your tomato sauce, it's really silky and most of the liquid has dried up. At this point, I kinda like the consistency and the taste of this sauce. So I'm going to take this off from heat. And here you have your homemade tomato sauce ready in under 1 hour. If you have made a large quantity of tomato sauce, you can decide to can it. It's a better way to preserve tomato sauce. Or simply freeze these until needed. Give this a try the next time you're looking for a quick and a tasty sauce to spice up your meal. So friends, this was how to make tomato sauce at home. I hope you liked this simple video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Until next time, I'd love to see you again. Bye for now.